Hello, and in this presentation I'm going to show you templates. So on the screen you'll see that Microsoft PowerPoint has just been loaded up, and you can see that there's loads of there's 8 different templates you can choose from. We usually go for blank because we don't know what we're going to do yet, but you'll see there's some pre-made templates for you. But if you don't like any of those, we can look at suggested searches, and let's say we wanted, I don't know, presentations, and you can see there's loads of templates, and I mean loads. However, if we don't see any templates we like, we can always click Home. And then we could also search for online templates and themes. So let's click onto it, and let's say we want to type digital literacy, for example. Then click enter. Sometimes there won't be anything there, so let's type in an alternative. Let's say we wanted to do a presentation about books. We type in the word books. And you can see there's loads of templates around the theme of books. But in this case we're going to go back to home, which is here, and we're going to click on blank presentation. And this is the basic of how to get a basic template of your PowerPoint document.